Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a new poem. Standard 3rd, Subject English 1.1. We are happy every day. New syllabus. Learn and sing. शिका आणि गा. We are happy every day. We are happy every day. Learning, laughing while we play. Learning, laughing while we play. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Every friend we meet is sweet. Every friend we meet is sweet. Books and pencil songs to sing. Books and pencil songs to sing. Happy thoughts are what we bring. Happy thoughts are what we bring. We can jump and we can run. We can jump and we can run. School has started, share the fun. School has started, share the fun. Together strong we always stand. Together strong we always stand. Helping others hand in hand. Helping others hand in hand. Shining bright just like the sun. Shining bright just like the sun. Happy hearts are join as one. Happy hearts are join as one. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.